Hi! In front of me is Oppo A1 and today I would like to show you how you can operate your apps in split screen view. First of all, you need to open one of your apps that you wish to use on the top half of your screen, like Play Store. Then, to continue, click on this button with 3 lines if you are using Tricky's navigation to open background apps. Now select those 3 dots at the top right corner of your chosen app and tap on split screen. Then click on the other app, in my case Chrome. As you can see, finally, I can use both of them at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!